Can you solve all these enzymes and enzyme kinetics questions? Enzymes are very good. Protein. Name one enzyme. Perfect choice. Amylase. Enzymes are dash. Well articulated. Proteins. Enzymes are made of. That's accurate. Proteins. Enzyme dash complex. Accurate answer. Substrate. An enzyme is a dash. Excellent work. Protein. Which one is an enzyme? Nice work, amylase. What do enzymes end in? Right choice, ace. An enzyme binds with its well-reasoned substrate. Who coined the word enzyme? Great job, Wilhelm Kuhn. What are enzymes made from? Smart thinking, protein. The substrate turns into the good job, product. Optimal level of enzymes is commendable response, a bell. An enzyme that digests lipids. On track, lipase. This enzyme digests proteins. Protease is correct. What is a biological catalyst? Precise answer, enzyme. The enzyme amylase breakdown. Nicely done, starch. What macromolecule is an enzyme? Exactly, protein. Pepsin is an enzyme that acts on confident and correct proteins. Which enzyme breaks down starch? Logical choice, amylase. What fish do enzymes work best at? Great work. What breaks down food in stomach? Clear and correct enzymes. What is another name for enzymes? Valid point, biological catalysts. The enzyme protease works only on. You got it, proteins. An enzyme produced in the stomach. Well supported, pepsin. Each enzyme produced by the body is. Keep it up, specific. Reactants bind to enzymes at the dash. Right, active site. Which enzyme works best at 1.5? Thoughtful answer, pepsin. Classify the enzymes based on their. Solid response, reaction specificity. What do you call a biological catalyst? Excellent reasoning, enzyme. Where do enzymes and substrates combine? Well expressed, active site. What is the optimal phi for most enzymes? Yes, Sem is right. An enzyme is which type of macromolecule? Well done, Which of these is most likely an enzyme? Strong answer, lysed tag SWAT 34C9C. What type of macromolecules are enzymes? That's it, proteins. How many categories of enzymes are there? 3. Which reaction is catalyzed by an enzyme? Correct response, blue. Which structure is indicated by letter C? Outstanding effort, enzyme. Most enzyme names end in which 3 letters? Ace, well done. An enzyme that is produced in the pancreas. Lipase. What is broken down by the enzyme amylase? Correct response, starch. Dash speed up chemical reactions. Well articulated, proteins. Lactase, maltase, sucrase are all forms of. Right choice, enzymes. Where does the substrate bind on an enzyme? Thoughtful answer, active site. What makes chemical reactions happen faster? Great job, enzyme. What enzyme fixes CoA and C4 in canned plants? Well done, pep carboxylase. What structure do proteins and enzymes take? Nicely done. Tertiary structure. What is the enzyme which breaks down starch? Nice work. Chemical reactions change dash and form dash. On track. Reactants products. Required practical. Amylase is a type of what? Spot on. Which enzyme is responsible for adding bases? Duna polymerase. Well done. With what 3 letters do enzymes typically end?
Yes, Jesus.
Enzymes are classified as what macromolecule? Keep it up, protein. Enzymes are an example of what macromolecule? Commendable response, proteins. What factors affect an enzyme's reaction rate? Valid point, both. Enzymes are composed of what organic molecule? Excellent reasoning, proteins. Reactants that bind to active sites are called? Outstanding effort, substrates. Which of the following is an enzyme inhibitor? Mercury is correct. Enzymes change the dash of a chemical reaction. Excellent work, right? Enzymes are made up of these repeating monomers. For amino acids, how you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format? Well expressed. Contact Narayan Changder.